Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the radical points. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial differentiation. So I will put about f of x. That means we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to x. So we have first the derivative of x to the power of 3. You got about 3x squared. First the derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have 6y squared. Because we have number 1 in here, that's why we just simplify like this. We have x. First the derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have negative 150. So number 2 and number 3, you got about number 6. Now, we need to find first the derivative of the function with respect to y. So we have y squared in here. So you got about 2y. First the derivative of y to the power of 3. So we have 3y squared in here. Number 6 and number 2, you got about 12. This one you got about number 9. Now, we need to create the system of equations. So I will put this one equals to number 0 and this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solution of the system of equations. So we put this one equals to number 0 and this one equals to number 0. And now we have y and y. We can do about factorization in here. So for the first one, we have y equals to number 0. So we put the value of this one go in here. And we have 6x squared minus 150 equals to number 0. So we put this one go to the right. And later that we divide both sides by number 6. And you got about 25. Later that we put the square root for the both sides. And you got about s equal to number 5 and s equals to negative number 5. So we have number 5, 0 and negative number 5, 0. And now we have this one equals to number 0. So I will put 12x go to the right. And we have negative 9y equals to negative 12x. Later that we divide both sides by negative of number 9. And we have 4 over 3x. Later that we put this one go in here to find the value of x. So this one we have 16 over 9 s squared. Now we sum two units together and you got 50 over 3 s squared. Later that we put this one go to the right. And we divide both sides by 50 over 3. And we have the final answer. And we got about number 9. So we put the square root for the both sides. And we have s equals to number 3 and s equal to negative number 3. And now we have 4 solutions. That's about number 5, 0, negative number 5, 0. The next one, we have 3 with, if we put number 3 go in here to find the value of y, so y equals to number 4. If we put negative number 3 go in here, we can find the value of y, and that should be about y equals to negative number 4. So we have number 3, number 4, and negative number 3, negative number 4. Now, the question they want to classify on the radical points. To do about this one, we need to do second derivative. So this one, we need to do first derivative of the function f of s, that's it in here, with respect to s. So we have this one in here, and you got about 12s. Now we do f y. That means we need to do first derivative of the function of fy with respect to y. So this one you got about 12s minus 18y. And the next one you got about fsy. That is about this one. So you got about 12y. Now we need to do about determinant. That's about capital D in here. So we have fss multiplied by fyy minus fsy to the power of 2. So we put this one multiplied by this one. Minus 12y squared in here. Now let's go to the points. So we have one critical point in here. So we put s equals to number 5 and y equals to number 0 gone here. And we have 3,600, and this is about greater than number 0. So because this is greater than number 0, we need to consider about fss. So we put number 5 in here, and we have 60 is greater than number 0. So that means this one is about minimum. Now let's go to the second one. D, they got about 3,600, but this one is about negative, is smaller than number 0. This is about maximum. The next one, 3, 4. We put inside the value of D in here. So we have negative 3,600. This is smaller than number 0, and this is similar for the points in here. So the next one, we need to find maximum and minimum values. So we have this function in here. Now we put the value number 5, 0 and negative number 5, 0 gone here. You got about negative 500. Now you do similar for negative number 5, 0. And this is about positive 500. This is the end. Thank you for watching.